going to the beach today. Where are we going?
Today.
Yeah, today we're going to the beach.
No, not today. The start. It was today, and then now it's in December.
Oh yeah? So don't forget to put sunblock then.
Mom, no.
Yeah. Punta kami sa beach.
Young Susan, tell me that.
Webull Beach. How far are you here, babe? 30 minutes?
20 kilometers.
Yeah, 30 minutes from here. Medyo malayo rito. Pero marami naman kaming malapit na beach dito. Pero try namin yung iba. So ito tour naman namin kayo ni Crystal Ann, right? Yeah. Enjoy! And watch! Kami na nag-set up. Set up namin yung ano. Ito, umbrella namin. Ang init. Kunin mo. Ang dumi mo kami. So, diba, sinet up na namin. Ba't ka tingin mo? Ay, saglit. Pwede na dito. Mawindi daw, so kukuha tayo ng malaking bato. There, pinakamalalaking bato. Yan. Init. 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 Then, we'll put it here. Ang alalay. Yep. Okay, that's it. Diba? Gawa ng paraan. Nope.
I will show you how to go underwater.
Okay then, in the sea.
No, just stay
Yeah, come on then.
small.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
The camera. Yeah, don't hold the camera. One more. Yeah, one more then. One more. Okay. You ready? Ang lamig ng tubig. Okay. You have tantrums. Now calm down yourself. Calm down. Dito tayo sa grocery, guys. Dito tayo ng ice. Lumipat kami ng beach kasi masakit sa paa doon. Hindi kami mag-enjoy. So, bilan tayo ng drinks and ice. Ayan. Hanap tayo ng ice. Bili natin mga bata for snacks. Ito na yung ice. Yeah. Bili nga tayo ng kape. Hazelnut. Ice Vanilla Americano. Ice Black Coffee. Ang ganda. Ice Black Coffee. Ito kay Crystal. Hanap tayong crepes kay Daddy Pig. Ito. Ito. And para mas enjoy lalo ang ating beach. 안녕.
네, 안녕하세요. 뭐 봉투 드려요.
Pardon?
봉투 빼.
Bag, yes, please. Yeah. 감사합니다.
원리 아니야?
One plastic, please. Big one. Big.
아니. 저걸로 드려. 저걸로. 그걸로 드려. 빅 사이즈.
예.
하나면 돼.
Ang hirap po.
Dali! Naka-record na.
Antay lang tayo ng wave. Yeah. Antay lang tayo ng wave. Look! Wave yet! Kuan! Yay! Ay, ganun lang yun? Ganun lang yan eh. I gotta be a professional. Mahulog ako. Come on then, practice. More practice. One more, that's a big one. Action.
Hi guys, this is Maria again. We are here in the beach.
The second beach.
So,
The first one.
the first beach, it had pungent rocks, and
Pangit Rocks, yes, that's right, yeah.
then we decided to go in another beach.
Yeah, this is a surfing place. No, there's you drink to daddy's drinks. Yeah, this is a surfing place.
This is a surfing place. Look at all the people having surfers. They make their blood for all the money.
Yeah, and then
The blood makes the skateboard safe.
and they say enjoy and watching. Come here. Hi. Say don't forget to subscribe. Say don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe, guys.
Eggy's family.
Mom, can I?
my god, this was good. For a little bit like stag, you can order ramen. I had ramen with beans broth and it was so good. There's something about eating ramen in the sky that makes it even better. Maybe the altitude, I don't know. Don't quote me on it. For dinner, I ordered bibingkuksu and mandu. You guys already know I detest cucumbers, so I push it off to the side and pour the sauce. It was so good, even objectively and not as airplane food. The sauce was spicy, sweet, and tangy, and I love that they serve dumplings on the side too. Mwah, chef's kiss. So that's everything I ordered. I recommend you get all the Korean dishes because they're infinitely better than other menu options.
Vice Gando applies. Francine D is busy.
Si Francine, yung nakita na niligid ang mata.